Alright, Black. Well, Tim, this is what you got. I have a screw there that needs done. This screw right here. Hole's all stripped out. What you're going to need is some cardboard and cut a couple strips off. About like this. Got your JB Weld. I don't have any toothpicks. So somewhere I have a really small Allen wrench. Oh, here it is. Right there. I'm just going to use it to pack the stuff in the hole. And let's see. I'm going to set you down. I'll show you how to mix this stuff. And I'll show you how to exactly do this. Now what you're going to want to do with this stuff is make two equal lines. Can't get the hardener out. You don't need very much. About a ½ inch to an inch. Make sure they're equal. Just like that. And it's a pretty good camera, so you should be able to see the color of it when it's all mixed up. See, that's a nice dark gray. Now you only have about 2 minutes to play with this stuff. That's all you have. And see, there's not real much, not a lot there, because you don't need a whole lot. By the way, this is the screw that I took out that keeps falling out. Now, what you do is just grab some on your toothpick, and if all you have is a small Allen, it'll work. Take a big gob, making sure I don't put my camera in here. Take it, you fill the hole. Yeah, it's a little tricky to work with, but it does get the job done. Just make sure you put it on the sides and get it everywhere in there real good. Yeah, I know. Shelfie's a little dirty. Let's see. I'm just going to stick my thumb in there, scrape off what I can on the Allen wrench. Soap and water wipes this stuff off. Alright, so that is what your hole looks like now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take some dish liquid, take my screw. This is why, if you're wondering, I have a thumbnail for stuff like this. I take the screw, put the head in my thumbnail, hold it right in there inside the thing, turn it upside down onto the screw. Now, if you can tell, I don't know if you can, it is covered. Let's see what I can do here. Dropping everything. Now, what you're going to want to do is you take your screw, not drop it, put it into the hole. Screw it down in. I'm also using a different screw, so that's why mine's a little tougher. Put it all the way down till it stops. And if it keeps spinning, don't worry, just as long as it's flush and down where it needs to be. Doesn't even have to be flush, but just as long as it's down where it needs to be. You get the idea. Now, what I'll do, alright, I'm back. Sorry. Wife took my rag, she cleaned the house. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to wipe around it. Now mind you, underneath the screw there's going to be some left. So don't worry about that. Now this quick stuff, if it's aluminum that you're going through, there goes my phone again. It's alright. If it's aluminum you're going through, I don't know, give it at least 6 to 8 hours. I usually like to let them sit overnight. What you're going to do after this is you're going to pull your screw back out, like in the morning or whatever, after 8 hours. Pull your screw back out, wipe your screw off, take a flathead screwdriver, and just, you know, whatever's on top, scrape off. Scrape it from the hole out. That way everything that you have in the hole stays there. Alright, Tim, I hope that helps, buddy. Now I gotta figure out how to put this on the internet. Later, dude.